In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn username in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up for a job application or networking online, knowing your LinkedIn username can be quite useful. So let's dive into this straightforward process together. First, open up your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. If you don't have it bookmarked already, just type LinkedIn into your search bar, and it should be the first result. Once you've landed on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. So, locate the Sign In button at the top of the page, give that a click, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and fill those in. A quick tip: make sure your device is secure to protect your privacy and data. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn home feed. This is where you'll see updates from your network, articles, and other posts. Look at the top menu across the page. There should be a thumbnail image of yourself or a person icon. Click on it. This action will take you directly to your own LinkedIn profile, or, as LinkedIn calls it, your View Profile page. Next, pay attention to your browser's address bar, right at the top of the screen. This section of the page is critical because it contains the URL for your LinkedIn profile. Your username is actually the unique part of the URL that appears right after linkedin.com in. This is your LinkedIn username. It's how people can find you on the platform. If this seems a bit too technical, there's another method. Let's go over it. On your profile page, you'll notice several tabs and options for editing your information. Find the option labeled Public Profile and URL. This might be located to the right, depending on LinkedIn's most recent layout updates. Click on this link. Here, you can manage your public URL and see precisely what your username is. It's always a good idea to double-check that this is as you wish, as it's part of how you present yourself professionally online. And there you have it. You now know how to locate your LinkedIn username, an important detail that can help enhance your online interactions and professional presence. Remember, keeping your information accurate and up-to-date is key to maintaining a strong digital footprint. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out other videos for more tips on navigating LinkedIn and other professional tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.